So we're walking out to the kitchen. I'm gonna show you what I pass on the way there. So here are some of the horses. We've got Buddy, he's laying down right there. This is Harry and Sally. The darker one's Harry, the lighter one's Sally. Hi guys, good morning. The donkeys are like the guard dogs of the farm. They stay out all night and they look into the woods out there. They scare off like bears and coyotes to keep everyone safe. You guys are killing it. That's JB, Jack Black. The white one out there is Rambo. And then we've got Sir Lancelot. He kicks all night long because he's got an attitude. Hi, bud. Hi, Harry. Hi, good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? Did you have a good night's sleep, Harry? Sally. Sally's a little more skittish. Hi, Sally. Hi, little chef. We are at the BLB Ranch, and I'm making a little side dish that I'll serve with lunch. I'm making mushroom risotto. So I'm just slicing up my mushrooms here. These are just baby Bella mushrooms. Whew, that's a lot of mushrooms. Now I'll slice up some shallots. Now onto my garlic. We're gonna start off by putting a little knob of butter in the pan with some olive oil. Shallots are gonna go in first. They take a little longer to break down. Gonna saute those guys up and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. In goes our mushroom, our garlic, thyme, and we'll let this saute for a bit. Break down those mushrooms. In goes our arborio rice, and we're gonna just toast this for a bit. Here we go with the risotto making process. We're just gonna ladle some liquid in, some hot stock, right into this rice and mushroom mix until it just covers it. And then we're gonna cook it until it's fully absorbed. So you wanna be mixing probably 60% of the time. You're mixing a good amount of the time because you're wanting to develop these starches. So all the starch in the rice, we're trying to develop that to make a really creamy risotto. So see how we still have liquid here? We want this to all be absorbed before we add more of this stock. So we're getting low on liquid. We're gonna go ahead and add a couple more ladlefuls of this hot stock and give it a mix to develop those starches. So we're just gonna continue this method until all of this stock is used up. The rice should be al dente, it means to the tooth in Italian. Not too soft, but not too firm. Just a slight little bite to it. Just added my cream and Parmesan cheese. It's looking divine. Oh, it looks so creamy, yum. Pack these up for lunch. Whew. Let's go hand these out. Bye, little chef. I'm a private chef at the BLB Hacienda Ranch. Today, we're making cabbage rolls for dinner. And this is Sir Lancelot. So for these cabbage rolls, I am going to prepare this cabbage by just cutting out the core here. I'll help the leaves come off as I'm boiling this cabbage. Oh yeah. All right, just like so, let's get this into some boiling water. Now onto the filling, I need some bread. We're gonna cube this up, just cubing this up, and we are gonna put this in a little mixing bowl with some water, and we're kind of just gonna use our hands to mush it up. This is gonna act as our binder. I know it looks crazy, but it works. Then we'll go in with our ground beef, kind of just mix that into the bread. 1 egg, get that mixed in as well. We'll cut up some shallots, chop up some parsley, going in with some paprika, nutmeg, salt, pepper, and the parsley and onions. Mix it up with your hands. The cook's best friend. There it is. All right, here's my cabbage. See how the leaves are just falling off? That's what we want. So let's wrap these bad boys. It's best to work with the large leaves. And I like to just take off the really stocky bit of the stem because it will be tough to roll it out. So I'm gonna take your beef mixture, put it into the cabbage, and then we are just gonna roll it up with like a burrito. So fold in the sides and then just roll. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna continue to do that. So let's go to the next one. Boom. All right. 20 more to go. Our cabbage rolls are nice and wrapped. We're gonna go ahead and sear them off in some butter, brown them a little bit, if we can fit them all in one pan. Boom. We're gonna add some stock now and some beer. How much beer? If you don't use the whole entire beer in the recipe, it's always the chef's. That's how it works. You should know that, little chef. So if you only need a half cup of wine in a recipe, the rest of the bottle is yours, little chef. Look at these cabbage rolls. I'm gonna go ahead and package them up. Those, a quarter cup of cream, a touch of mustard. I gotta make a little room. And I made a little slurry in here. So just some cornstarch and water, just to thicken this up. Once it comes to a boil, it's ready to go. Where's my sauce? Give it a taste. So here are my cabbage rolls. I'm just gonna take my sauce, put it over. Next one. All right, these are ready to go out. Package these guys up. Look how pretty they look. Yum. Go hand these out. Bye, little chef.